Hi students, good morning. Today we discuss the topic ellipse. You know the definition of the conic. What is a conic? The locus of a point P such that SP by PM is equal to constant. That means E. If E is equal to 1, the conic is said to be a parabola. If 0 less than E less than 1, then the conic is said to be an ellipse. If E is greater than 1, the conic is a hyperbola. That means SP by PM is equal to E, where 0 less than E less than 1 is called an ellipse, where S is focus and E is eccentricity and PM is length of the perpendicular from focus to the directrix. That is the meaning. Now definition: the locus of a point whose distances from a fixed point, that is called focus, and a fixed straight line that is called a directrix. Directrix are in constant ratio that is E, where 0 less than E less than 1. E is called an ellipse. The locus of a point whose distances from a fixed point and a fixed straight line are in constant ratio E is called an ellipse. E is called eccentricity of the ellipse. The fixed point is called focus and the fixed straight line is called directrix of the ellipse. Now theorem. The equation of parabola in standard form is ellipse in standard form. X square by A square plus Y square by B square equal to 1. Equation of ellipse in standard form. Now here the proof is, let S be the focus and this is the line L be the directrix of the ellipse. The fixed point S, let S be the focus and L be the directrix. Now draw this line, draw SZ, draw a line, this line, perpendicular to L. Draw SZ perpendicular to L means directrix. Now you take 2 points A and A dash such that A divides SZ in the ratio E:1 internally, and SZ divides SZ in the ratio, A divides SZ in the ratio E:1 externally. Now take 2 points A and A dash such that A and A dash divides SZ in the ratio E:1 internally and externally. That is, A divides SZ in the ratio E:1 internally. That means, that is SA by AZ is equal to E/1, and A dash divides SZ in the ratio E:1 externally. That means here SA dash by A dash Z, A dash Z is equal to E/1. So this divides A dash S by A dash Z, that is SA dash by A dash Z is equal to E/1. So A divides in the ratio E:1 internally, A dash divides, that means what? A dash S by A dash Z. A dash S by A dash Z equal to E/1. So 2 points A and A dash such that A dash divides SZ in the ratio E:1 internally as well as externally. And take AA dash is equal to 2A, and the point is C, and C is the midpoint of AA dash. A dash, that is what? That is A dash C is equal to CA, because C is the midpoint of C is the midpoint. Now here this one SCA by AZ is equal to E/1 implies SCA is equal to E into AZ, and also SA dash by A dash Z is equal to E/1 implies SCA dash is equal to E into A dash Z. E into A dash Z. Okay, write down. SCA dash by A dash Z is equal to this. Now you can take SCA plus SCA dash is equal to adding these two, E is common, AZ plus A dash Z. Now this is SA plus SA dash equal to, see here, SA means what? This one. And SA dash means what? This one. The total becomes AA dash. Therefore, this is AA dash is equal to E into, where AZ is equal to AZ, CZ minus CA. So this is CZ minus CA plus A dash Z is equal to A dash Z, A dash C plus, sorry, A dash Z is equal to A dash Z equal to A dash C plus CZ. A dash C plus CZ. A dash equal to what? We are assuming A dash equal to 2A. So this is 2A is equal to E into, so A dash C equal to AC, because C is the midpoint. C is A dash C equal to CA. So these two gets cancelled. That is 2 times of CZ. 2 gets cancelled, implies CZ is equal to A by E. So this is one result. CZ equal to A by E. And also consider, and again, SA dash minus SA is equal to. So here I am taking E common. This is A dash Z minus AZ. That is equal to E into A dash Z means A dash C plus CZ. A dash C plus CZ minus of AZ. AZ means CZ minus CA. CZ minus CA. That is equal to E into A dash C plus CZ minus CZ minus of minus plus CA. So these two gets cancelled, that equal to E into A dash C plus CA. A dash C plus CA is A dash. That is equal to E into A dash is 2A. That equal to 2AE. So this is what? SA dash minus SA is equal to 2AE. So you can call it, this is, let it be 1. And again, from the figure, from the diagram, again, SA dash minus SA is equal to, see directly this figure. SA dash means A dash S is equal to A dash S is A dash C plus CS minus SA CA minus CS. CA minus CS, that equal to A dash C plus CS minus CA plus CS. A dash C equal to CA, because C is the midpoint of A dash, that equal to 2CS. So this is SA dash minus SA. So this is the second result. Second one. Now from 1 and 2, LHS both are same. SA dash minus SA. There also SA dash minus SA. Now these two imply, therefore that implies from 1 and 2, 2CS is equal to 2AE. So these two gets cancelled. Therefore CS is equal to AE. Now CS is equal to AE and CZ is equal to, what about CZ? CZ equal to A by E. And what about CA is equal to, this distance is A units. Write down. So we have CZ equal to A by E and CS is equal to AE. Now the CY, this is Y, parallel to this directrix L. Draw CY parallel to L and take CS and CY as x-axis and y-axis respectively. Now we can draw this line CY which is parallel to L directrix. Now this you can take as x-axis and this taken as y-axis. Then C becomes 0, 0. Then C is equal to 0, 0 and CS is equal to AE, implies S lies on x-axis. Therefore coordinates of S, CS equal to what? AE. Therefore S coordinates AE, AE, 0. And this is also CA is equal to what? A, because C is the midpoint of A dash and A dash equal to 2A. So this is A, this is A. Implies, and CA is equal to A, implies A coordinates A, 0. And CZ is equal to A by E. Implies Z coordinates are A by E, 0. So Z coordinates, so this is 0, 0. This is A, 0. Z coordinates A by E, 0. A by E, 0. Therefore, equation of directrix is, so therefore equation of directrix is x is equal to A by E, that is x minus A by E equal to 0. This is x equal to A by E, that is x minus A by E equal to 0. So we have directrix and also this is focus. Okay, and let here let Px1, y1 be a point on the ellipse. Let Px1, y1 be a point on the ellipse. And draw PM perpendicular to L. Draw PM perpendicular to L. Now, by the definition of ellipse, SP by PM is equal to E. Now, by the definition of ellipse, SP by PM is equal to E, implies SP equal to E into PM. Write down. That is SP is equal to SP x1 minus AE whole square plus y1 minus 0, that is y1 square, equal to E into PM is the length of the perpendicular from x1 y1 to this directrix. length of the perpendicular. What is the directrix? X minus a by e equal to 0. So length of the perpendicular from x and y1 to this directrix. So a is 1, ax1, by1, b is 0, and c is minus a by e by root of a square plus b square. Okay, now for this squaring on both sides, x1 minus ae whole square plus y1 square equal to e square into so this is squaring x1 square plus a square e square minus 2ax1 by e, that is equal to x1 square plus a square e square minus 2ae x1 plus y1 square is equal to, if we are multiplying that by e square, so this is e square x1 square plus a square, e square gets cancelled, minus 2ae x1, one e cancel, other one is, so again these two gets cancelled. Okay, here it is x1 square, and take this side. If you take x1 square is taking common, 1 minus e square plus this is y1 square is equal to, so this is a square, you can write that side, minus a square e square. Right now? So more focus on this ellipse, because ellipse and the next topic hyperbola both are similar. Both are similar. So there also hyperbola proof is more or less the same. And the hyperbola standard form is x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. If I prepare this ellipse well, then automatically the next chapter you feel very comfortable. So this is x1 square into 1 minus e square plus y1 square equal to a square into 1 minus e square. Now dividing both sides by a square into 1 minus e square. So this is x1 square by a square plus y1 square by a square into 1 minus e square equal to 1. Therefore the locus is x square by a square plus y square by a square into 1 minus e square equal to 1. And since 0 less than e less than 1, that is e less than 1 implies 1 minus e square is positive. A square into 1 minus e square is also positive. 1 minus e square is greater than 0. So that's why you put a square into 1 minus e square is equal to b square. B square means this is for any value of b, it is always positive. So this is also positive. Therefore, it implies x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, where b square is this one. So this is the standard form of ellipse equation. Here first point, so in this ellipse equation, x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Put y is equal to 0, x equal to plus or minus a. That means the ellipse cuts x-axis. The ellipse cuts x-axis at a comma 0 and a dash minus a comma 0. A dash is called major axis. Write down, note first point. Write down. The ellipse cuts x-axis at a comma 0, a dash minus a comma 0. A dash is called major axis. Here this is A is greater than B. So we discuss later all these cases. So in general, you treat as A greater than B. A dash is called major axis. The length of major axis is 2a. Next point. See here in this equation, put x equal to 0. Then this becomes what? X square by b square equal to 1. Sorry, y square by b square equal to 1. Y square is equal to b square. Y is equal to plus or minus b. That is, the ellipse cuts y-axis at b 0 comma b and b dash 0 comma minus b. Okay, na? Write down. The ellipse cuts y-axis. The ellipse cuts y-axis at b 0 comma b and b dash 0 comma minus b. B dash is called minor axis. Is called minor axis. And the length of minor axis is minor axis is 2b. Third point. See here, the curve is symmetric about both the axes. This part is symmetric about y-axis, and this part is symmetric about x-axis, and this part is symmetric about y-axis, and this is x-axis. So since the curve is symmetric about both the axes, okay, right on. Third point, by the symmetry of the curve, there exists a second focus. This is second focus, S dash minus a comma 0. S dash minus a comma 0 and the corresponding directrix. This is there exists a second focus S dash minus a comma 0 and the corresponding directrix x plus a by e equal to 0. So these are the coordinates of z dash. What are the coordinates of z dash? Minus a by e comma 0. Second focus S dash minus a comma 0 and its corresponding directrix x plus a by e is equal to 0. So center C 0 comma 0 is called center of the ellipse. A comma 0 minus a comma 0 are called vertices of the ellipse. Vertices. AE comma 0 minus AE comma 0 are called foci. Focus, that is a plural word, foci. Foci. Foci of the ellipse. And this is x equal to a by e, x equal to minus a by e. These are the directrices of the ellipse. Okay. By the symmetry of the curve, there exists a second focus s dash minus a e comma 0 and its corresponding directrix x plus a by equal to 0. And what about eccentricity? E is equal to, since b square equal to what? A square into 1 minus e square, provided this is a greater than b. Implies 1 minus e square equal to b square by a square. Implies e square is equal to 1 minus e square equal to 1 minus b square by a square. That is a square minus b square by a square. Therefore, e is equal to root of a square minus b square by a square. So this is the eccentricity of the ellipse. So C is called center. Coordinates of vertices plus or minus a comma 0. Coordinates of foci plus or minus a comma 0. Length of major axis 2a. Length of minor axis 2b. Eccentricity root of a square minus b square by a square. Equations of directrices. This x equal to plus or minus a by e. Next one. Next point. So this is SP is called focal distance and S dash P is also focal distance. Next point. If P is a point on the ellipse, then SP plus S dash P is equal to 2A where A greater than B and 2B if B greater than A. That is the sum of the focal distance, sum of the focal distances of any point on the ellipse, SP plus S dash P, is equal to the length of major axis. Length of major axis. SP plus S dash P equal to 2A if A greater than B. Suppose if B is greater than A, B greater than A, of course the ellipse is like this form. Center 0, 0, 0, B, 0, minus B are vertices. 0, BE, 0, minus B are foci. So this is the case. So different forms of ellipse you can discuss that point. So in general, first of all, general ellipse, so treat as A greater than B. That is the sum of the focal distances. P is a point on the ellipse. then SP plus S dash P equal to 2A if A greater than B and 2B if B greater than A. That is sum of the focal distances. Once again I can draw the figure. So this is focus AE comma 0. This is Z coordinates and this is S dash. These are Z dash minus A by E comma 0. A by E comma 0. P. So this is M and this is and its corresponding directrix. Okay, now this is center 0 comma 0. Now according to definition, SP by PM is equal to what? E. Implies SP is equal to E times of PM. Also, what is the point? P is a point on the ellipse. What is the definition? SP by PM equal to E, where S is focus. Why don't you take the focus is S dash? Yes. S dash P by its corresponding directrix by PM dash. Also, S dash P by PM dash is equal to E. That is also a definition of ellipse. Implies S dash P equal to E into PM dash. E into PM dash. Now, by adding these two, that is SP plus S dash P is equal to E common PM plus P dash M. That is E into, so this is PM plus PM dash. PM dash. So this is what? PM plus PM dash means MM dash. That is M dash. That is E into, where MM dash is equal to what? M dash is, see here, M dash is nothing but Z dash. So this is M dash is nothing but Z dash. That is Z dash. That is E into, what about Z dash? This is A by E minus A by E, minus of minus. So this is A by E plus A by E, 2A by E. So this is 2A by E. So these two gets cancelled. Therefore, SP plus S dash P is equal to 2A. 2A. So if A is greater than B. Suppose if the ellipse is like this, B greater than A, then you will get this 2B. Now one example. If A is 4 comma 0 and b minus 4 comma 0. Then the locus of the point P such that PA plus PB is equal to 10 is. So in first year locus we have this type of problems are there. Without any idea, simply you are doing the problems. PA is equal to 10 minus PB, squaring on both sides and so on, you will get the answer. But the background of all this is these, see here. So these are what? A means that is nothing but S, 4 comma 0. This is B means S dash minus 4 comma 0. And P is a point. P is a point. Now, just like this is just like what? PA plus PB is equal to 10 means is of the form just like SP plus S dash P is equal to 2A. Only just you can change the name only. In place of A and B, write S and S dash SP plus S dash P equal to 2A. What about 2A equal to? Here 2A is 10. Therefore, A is equal to 5. A is 5. And what is the coordinates of S? A comma 0. S dash minus A comma 0. What is the distance between SS dash? That means what? AB is equal to what? SS dash 2AE. 2AE is equal to what? What is the distance between these two? 4 plus 4, that is 8. Therefore, AE is equal to, this is AE equal to 4. AE is equal to 4. So, okay. That means SS dash means what? That is AB means SS dash. Now this is what? SP plus S dash P equal to 2A. 2A is 10. So A equal to 5. Distance between the coordinates of foci means AB. 2AE means 8. A equal to 4. And what is B square equal to? A square into 1 minus E square. That is A square minus A square E square. A square is 25 minus AE, that is 4. Whole square is 16. That equal to B square is 9. Now what about this one? Ellipse. Therefore the locus is x square by A square plus y square by B square equal to 1. Where A square is 25, B square is 9. Therefore that is x square by 25 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1. This is the locus. That is, the locus is an ellipse. Okay, right on. Thank you.